Hi, this is Kelsey Lowery from North Arkansas College, and I'm going to show you how to get on a WebEx meeting. So this is a calendar invite. You're just going to click on the link. And we want to open. If you haven't used WebEx before, you'll have to follow the prompts to download. Okay, so it says we are unmuted and our video is off. So WebEx is a little bit differently. If it's red, it means you are off. If it's gray, it means you're on. So if I click that, I'm muted. If I unclick it, I'm unmuted. Same with the video. Let's go ahead and start the video. And then we can go ahead and start the meeting. Okay. So here is, that's the mute. I don't know why it's taking a little bit longer to load, but this is the video. Here I can share my content. So I can share different types of screens. So we can just share this one. Okay. And then if you click on it, you get this ribbon up at the top, and you can stop sharing here. And you can record your meeting here. This will close your participants here, which is over here on this side. The chat will send a chat to everyone in your meeting, so just say hi. And then here's some more options. You can lock, invite and remind, copy meeting link, all of that sort of thing. The host will probably only have those options, but you may as well. And then here, you just end your meeting. And that's all.